Want to increase your eBay sales? The first step is to get your listing found by more buyers. So how can you do that? Let's find out. To increase sales, you need to understand two things. One, how people shop on eBay, and two, what information search engines look for. Nowadays, most people buy on eBay from a mobile device. They don't have time to go through thousands of listings to find what they want, so they narrow down their search using filters. For example, if they're buying tyres for their car, they might filter by width or diameter. If they're buying clothes, they could filter by colour, size or material. When buyers apply filters to search results, only the listings which have matching information in the listing will be shown. Everything else disappears. You'll see that as we apply different filters, the number of search results goes down. The same thing applies when people look at eBay listings via third-party sites like Google Shopping. So how do search engines know which listings to show? They rely on the information that you provide. What you might not know is that you've got to enter this information into the fields called item specifics. Writing the information in the long description field isn't enough. On the eBay listing form, you'll see item specifics labelled as EAN, brand, MPN, colour, size, material, etc. The exact labels on the listing form varies by category. Use the fields suggested by eBay rather than making up your own. If you leave any fields blank or you select does not apply, search engines can't match your listing to buyers' searches. That means they might not get shown to buyers in search results, on browse pages or on product pages. Plus, when someone is deciding whether to buy your item, having all the information in front of them could make them more likely to purchase. If your competitors haven't completed all the item specifics fields, filling them in on your listings could give your business an advantage. So, making time to add missing information to existing listings is time well spent. Go to the Listings tab in Seller Hub now to review and edit your listings. Or, if you use another tool, look for listings with missing information and fill in the gaps. Contact your tool provider for advice on updating large numbers of listings. Of course, if the item is already in the eBay catalogue, the information is provided for you, so make sure you check it. Providing complete information in listings could give your sales a boost. It gives you better visibility and gives your customers confidence that they're buying the right item. Find out when new tips are published. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.